Hi everybody! Last weekend, I got to be a flower girl for the first time. In this video, I will show you my full flower girl outfit for my hairstyle, my dress, and all my accessories. So if you want to get ready with me, keep watching my video. It all started last year when my aunt came over to surprise me with a gift and to pop the question.
Will you be Gugu and Daniel Sok Sok's flower girl? Yeah?
Do you know what a flower girl is?
What are they? What do they do?
It's a little girl that kills flowers.
Okay, that's close enough.
So first, let's start with the hair. My hair is very thin and sparse, so in order to use the accessory, I have to add waves or curls. The natural way to do it is by braiding my hair and leaving it overnight. All done! Time to go to sleep. Next, let's do the nails. I picked this really cute light pink. I like to alternate my fingers with a different color, like this glitter nail polish. This one is really cool because it peels right off, so I don't need to use any alcohol to clean my nails. I always add a second coat to make the color pop. Ta-da! I could have stopped here, but this is my first time being a flower girl, so I felt a little extra. Let's add some more glitter. A top coat to seal everything. And here's the final result. So sparkly. I love it. Here's the dress my aunt picked for me. So beautiful. I will show you a trick to get ready super fast. Lay your dress on the bed, and boom. Just kidding. This dress is so elegant. Wait a minute. My hair! Let's rewind. Loosen the blades to reveal the waves. To do this hairstyle, you'll need hair elastics, bobby pins, and a comb. This hairstyle is super easy to do because you don't need to know how to braid just to twist the hair together. Add a hair accessory to bring everything together. And here's the final look. This is the letter my aunt wrote to me. And a cute personalized bracelet. With an L for Lana. Here's the basket to hold the flower petals. As you can see, I'm practicing my flower drawing skills. Last but not least, some beautiful sparkly shoes. And here's the final look. What do you think, guys? I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.